Hello Cosmo families. This video and the accompanying slides will teach you how to access Zoom from a computer in the case that your child is invited to a Zoom teaching meeting by one of their teachers. First, just to let you know, you can access Zoom in both of the following ways. Either through a web browser, and you should use the same browser that your student has been using that is already signed in with their Google ID, and also through the Zoom app on a phone. We'll show that in a separate video. FYI, if your child is invited to Zoom by their teacher, that teacher will share the login code via Google Classroom and or a text message or a phone call. So please be on the lookout for that. Okay, just quickly to show you the steps, and then I'm going to show you the video. First of all, you would go to this website, uncommonschools.zoom.us. Secondly, you're going to sign in the upper right corner. You'll have to enter your Uncommon Google ID account and then click continue. And then you'll have to enter their password and press continue again. From there, you'll log in and press join meeting. And you'll use the teacher's meeting ID before you do that. Then the Zoom app will launch in your browser on the student's computer, and then you should be logged in, and you'll just then wait for the class to start. Again, I will show you that now live. So the first step, like we said, is to go to uncommonschools.zoom.us and log in. So let's show us that right now. So I'm already there at that website, and now I'm going to press sign in. Again, since I'm not signed in, if you are already signed in, you won't need to do this. But just in case, I will use Marquise's. Press continue. Of course, press continue. Keep me signed in if you'd like. Okay, once I am there, I'm now going to press join a meeting. Okay. Now, because I am in this class, notice I said, when you're in a class, your teacher will put the link and the meeting ID number. So I'm going to simply go over here, and I'm going to, because this is Marquise, he's going to copy the meeting ID, and then he will paste it in there. He could also just press the actual digits themselves. And notice it's going to now open up the Zoom app. Okay, so it's opening up the Zoom app. Now this is obviously a fake meeting, but you'll notice two things. When it starts the meeting, it will not have a video started, and that's just in case you're not quite ready to share your video. But then once your actual class starts, you will press that start video button, and then you'll be in the actual classroom. So just to review our steps, we went to the browser. We went to the website, on our browser. We logged in with our Google accounts. Hopefully you're already signed in permanently like this. You then pressed join meeting, and you put in the teacher's meeting ID. Again, you find the meeting ID either in Google Classroom, or your teacher might text it to you, or they might send you a message or a phone call. And then the Zoom app will automatically open up, and you'll be ready to go.